Here I have a 5-lever ERA. Thank you very much to Picking Paul for the lock. It's a curtain lock. I'm going to use the technical entry 7-gauge curtain pick and the pick wire that came with it. So, oops, and got the little cheater window there. You can see the bolt stump and the levers. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that up so I can't see. If you've never picked one of these, you got to get one. They're a challenge. I'm still trying to learn exactly what I'm feeling. The levers have false gates in them, so you can get stuck in those, which I've been doing a bunch. So there we got the pick in and the wire, and we'll go at it. It's kind of like a pin tumbler lock, just one at a time and kind of feel it, see what's going on with it. There it is, picked open. Just like that. Come back around, get my pick out, my pick wire. Picked open. I take the tape off. You can see the bolt stump there. And we will go ahead here. We got it. Rid of my tape. So out of the 4 locks, I've got 2 of them picked so far. I got 2 left, which is the Yale 5-lever non-curtain and the Chubb curtain, which is supposed to be a really tough one to pick. So let's look in here. And there we go. So give me a pointer, damn it. Here we have the curtain. And there's a piece of spring steel that applies pressure to the curtain. Here we have the bolt. This brass looking piece here is the bolt stump. And then we have the wafers, which you can see have little falses in them. I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up. If I can. Oh, wait. There's the first lever. You can see it's got multiple spots where that bolt stump can get caught. It can get caught right there, which I do a lot, and it kind of throws the lock into a little bit of a false set. You get quite a bit of turn on your tension tool, and it locks up hard. And you can also overlift it to where that bolt stump gets caught there, it gets caught there. So that's lever number 1. Number 2 is the same way. See, these are numbered on the back. That's a 5. This first one is a 7. Number 3 is the same thing. It's a 1. Number 4. Same deal with it. And the last one, number 5. I'll just show you with the 1. You can see right there, it's locked. The key lifts it up to there, and it'll unlock. But while you're picking, you can also lift it up to here and get it caught in a false, and then it's super hard. No movement at all in it. You can also overlift it and get it caught there. And then there it is in the slot. But there we go. So that's it. 5 lever ERA. Thank you again, Mr. Pick and Paul, and thanks for watching.